Hi guys, Dwayne Smith here at Keffer Kia. I'm going to talk to you a little bit about how to get approved on a car loan. Basically, there's three main things that a lender looks at. It's called the 3 C's. The first thing is capacity. Capacity means basically what type of income you got coming in versus what you have going out, your budget. The next thing is collateral, and that basically is what you're buying, how much you're financing, and what type of risk the bank's going to have. The last one's character. That's actually your credit history. So we're going to talk a little bit about all three of those. The first thing we're talking about is going to be, of course, your capacity. Biggest problem that I see when people are coming in to try to get approved on a car loan is they don't know what banks actually look for in income. It's not your take-home. It's not the money that goes into your bank account. What they're really looking at is your gross monthly income. We're going to talk about how to calculate that. Gross monthly income is before your federal income tax they're taking out, Social Security, state income tax, all that kind of fun stuff. So it's real simple. Now if you're a salary employee, it's real simple. You take whatever your salary is, divide it by 12 months, and that's what it is. But if you're hourly, which is what a lot of people are dealing with, there becomes a misnomer. For example, let's do some easy math. $10 an hour, you're working 40 hours a week. That's $400 a week. Well, a lot of people will take that and times it by 4. Well, that's $1,600 a month. The problem is there's 52 weeks in a year, not 48. So what you do, you take your 400, and it's on average it's 4.33. So you would actually be making about $1,732 a month. Doesn't sound like a lot. That $132 can get you the difference between being able to get approved with 6 different lenders and possibly up to 12 to 13. The other thing you want to make sure that you're calculating overtime. If you're averaging overtime, that's a big deal. Remember to figure out what you're doing, 5 hours, are you paid time and a half, etc. There's really about 3 levels of income. One of them is going to be about that $2 grand mark and above on gross monthly income. A lot of lenders are going to really look at that. The next level is about $1,600. That might mean more things on the collateral and stuff like that we're going to talk about a little bit later. But if you're down to that $1,400 a month income, you might want to look at getting a cosigner or qualified applicant to help you out on getting approved on a car loan. The other thing I want to talk about is other sides of income. You might have someone that's paying half the rent for you, or that can be considered possibly rental income if you've got an agreement with them. Again, anything that you've got coming in, child support, whatever, please make sure you tell the salesperson what that is. That can help you between getting approved on a car loan and not. Now I do want to also caution you in 100% of the time, do not falsify anything on the credit application because that's going to a bank. You don't want to be involved in any type of bank fraud or trying to pull wool over their eyes, because that can definitely cause all types of loans to get canceled. But again, don't let a salesperson write down what your income is. You help calculate it. Again, take whatever hours you work in a week and figure out your gross monthly income, times it by 4.33, and that's your gross monthly. Thank you.